Guys, I bought a new car and it's about to show up any second now. I'm so excited. Been trying to buy this car for like 2 months. Sight unseen. I haven't even seen the car yet. Just sent the money, booked a tow truck, and it should be here real soon. Any minute now, so let's just wait. So this is it. How cool is this? It's a 98 WRX, which is pretty sweet. It's got a lot of flaky paint, like here on the boot and a couple other spots. A few bits of rust, like on this back window trim. But hey, overall it looks pretty good. It doesn't run yet, but we'll work that out. I'm not really sure what the plan is with this WRX, because I mean, we bought it sight unseen and I bought it with a friend, so we went halves on it. But man, we got it quite cheap, and you know, I didn't even have a photo of this car. I just sent the money and booked a tow truck, so here it is. What do you reckon, Pickles? We got a white line strut brace. Damn, it must have been sitting for quite a while to fill up like that. Came with $1 and a stinky sock. Another 10 cents. Let's go. This car's paying for itself. So we're gonna have to get a new seat, because it's a bit manky. It looks like this trim's got a nice crack in it there, so that's why there's a spare one in the boot. Quite surprised that this trim's uncracked. They're always cracked in these cars. But yeah, not bad, not bad. So yeah, it's a bit of a project, which, I mean, we're no stranger to. We've got so many project cars here, but yeah, this one should be pretty quick. I mean, we'll probably end up respraying the whole thing. I hope not, but we might. But yeah, most of the things I could see, other than the driver's seat, it came with the part to replace it. It just needs to be put on. Just needs a good like polish over the whole thing and a couple of the panels fixed because of the flaky paint. But hey, it's pretty nice. I mean, I'm gonna try to get it start now. I'm gonna connect up a battery and jump start it and see what happens. Whoa, that's all it had. It ticked, it didn't crank or anything, but I did see the kilometers, and it has 160,000, which is pretty good, pretty decent. But I mean, it's very clear that it's been sitting for a while. 160,000, pretty good, but won't start. Alright, so I just checked the oil. Oil's clean and full, looks good. Power steering, full, looks good. Then I come over here, check the coolant. I don't know if you can see, probably not, but there's absolutely nothing in here. It's bone dry the whole way down, nothing. And then I feel this feels quite empty. The top, you can hear all the air. So I don't reckon it has any coolant in it whatsoever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the battery out and we're gonna stick it on charge because it's clearly flat. And then put some coolant in it. We might flush the radiator. I might see if there's a plug at the bottom. Yeah, there's a plug down there. So we'll unscrew that and we're gonna run a hose and just flush everything out. I have a feeling it's fuel related, just the way that it wasn't firing. I don't feel this, I don't feel right. When you call me out, tell me one time. Really out of love, but that's just fine. Only wanna fuck in the night time. I don't feel this, I don't feel right. When you call me out, tell me one time. Really out of love, but Alright, so normally when you connect the battery to the charger, it's going to come up with a couple lights here. Like if I put it onto this battery over here, go negative, positive, it's instantly with a couple of lights. So I think this battery is completely dead, but I'm just going to use a multimeter and we're going to have a look, see what's going on. Let's just turn it to volts, and then put positive, positive, negative, negative. It should be 12.6. Never seen a battery so dead. That's crazy. It's not even getting 1 volt. And then you compare it to the other battery that's on charge, and at 13.2, that's crazy. So I think this battery is completely dead. Alright, so we obviously need another battery, so we'll get onto that. Now we're going to run the hose to the front and we're going to flush out the cooling system and hopefully no head gasket issues. Fingers crossed. Well, that's a good sign. At least it's got the right coloured coolant and it's not like a milkshake, but I was a bit worried because it was completely empty. So I'm just going to flush it all out now with a hose. Jesus! We got the fuel tank. I'm underneath the car, but listen to this. That's hollow. It's got no petrol. Alright, so we're gonna go get some fuel because we got it to fire, and the fuel tank sounds empty. So hopefully all we have to do is put some petrol in it and it will fire straight up. I mean, the battery's completely dead as well, so new battery and some petrol. We put in premium. Yeah. Yeah. No, I got it. Pull. Hey! Alright, we're going to try again with the fuel. We just got to connect that battery back up and then hopefully she starts. Knocking on the seat. Playing rich, bitch, you can't ride like this. I'm scared for my hands because I probably have to petrol on them.
Yeah, so do mine.
I'm not very smart, are we? Alright, no fuel came out of the fuel line while priming it, so we're not getting fuel to the front, so that means fuel pump's probably dead.
It's dead.
Oh. Merry Christmas. Oh, it's so dusty.
Tastes like Subaru.
Alright, so we're just gonna pull the fuel pump out and then hopefully Santa brings us one in our stocking.
Yep.
Yeah, that's fucked. That's all rusty and gross. Alright, that's going to be all for this video because we need to order some parts and it's currently Christmas Eve, so we're not going to get the fuel pump for a while. We got a GC8 finally. It's been a dream car for a long time. I definitely said I was never going to own another Subaru, but here we are. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks guys. Peace.